For decades, residents of Taos, New Mexico have reported hearing a persistent and mysterious humming sound. Described as a low-frequency hum, the sound has baffled locals and scientists as no source for the hum has ever been identified. Interestingly, only about 2% of the population in Taos can hear the noise, leading to speculation about its cause. Theories range from underground gas lines, military experiments, or even psychological phenomena. Despite investigations, the Taos hum remains a mystery, with those who hear it reporting that it's deeply unsettling and sometimes unbearable. As experts attempt to unravel this enigma, many locals have come together to share their experiences, describing the hum as a constant presence in their lives. Some believe it is an alien phenomenon, while others attribute it to natural causes. Meetings held in community centers often feature passionate discussions and theories, fueling both fear and curiosity among the townspeople. With every new theory proposed, hope rises that someone will finally uncover the truth behind the Taos hum.